Class 12 NCERT Maths Chapter 6 Application of Derivatives Exercise 6.3. In this session we are going to learn problems number 1 to 9 and these are related to tangents and normal. Our first problem, find the slope of the tangents to the curve y equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 4x at x equal to 4. Solution. We will find out dy by dx. Y equal to 3x 4 minus 4x, then dy by dx will be 12x cube minus 4. But dy by dx at x equal to 4 will be 12 into 4 cube minus 4, and which is equal to 764. So answer, slope of the tangent is 764. Question second, find the slope of the tangents to the curve y equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 2, where x not equal to 2 at x equal to 10. We are using quotient rule, fx upon gx whole dash equal to gx into f dash x minus fx into g dash x upon gx whole square. Using this we can find out dy by dx equal to x minus 2 into 1 minus x minus 1 into 1 upon x minus 2 whole square. Here x minus 2 is our gx and x minus 1 is our fx. Then dy by dx will be x minus 2 minus x plus 1 upon x minus 2 whole square. Then dy by dx equal to minus 1 upon x minus 2 whole square. Now we can find out dy by dx at x equal to 10, and it will be minus 1 upon 10 minus 2 whole square. Instead of x, I am keeping here 10. Then dy by dx at x equal to 10 will be minus 1 upon 64. So answer, slope of the tangent to the curve is minus 1 upon 64. Let us see question number 3. Find out slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to x cube minus x plus 1 at the point whose x coordinate is 2. Solution. Y equal to x cube minus x plus 1. Then we can get dy by dx, it is equal to 3x square minus 1, because x cube's differentiation is 3x square and differentiation of x will be 1 and 1 is constant, so its differentiation I am writing 0. Now dy by dx at x equal to 2 will be 3 into 2 square minus 1, and it will be 12 minus 1 equal to 11. So answer, slope of the tangent to the curve is 11, and it is the slope when x coordinate is 2. Question 4. Find out slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2 at the point whose x coordinate is 3. Let us see the solution. Y equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2. Then dy by dx will be 3x square minus 3. Then dy by dx at x equal to 3 will be 3 into 3 square minus 3. And it is equal to 27 minus 3 and it is equal to 24. So our answer will be slope of the tangent to the curve is 24. Question 5. Find out slope of the normal to the curve x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta at theta equal to pi by 4. Here we have to find out normal slope. Let us see the solution. X equal to a cos cube theta, we will find out dx by d theta. So dx by d theta will be minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. I have taken 3 head, so minus 3a, and cos cube theta is become cos square theta, and cos theta's differentiation I have written sin theta. So cos theta differentiation minus sin theta, because of that minus sin written. Y equal to a sin cube theta. then dy by d theta will be 3a sin square theta cos theta, 3 taken out, so that means 3a, and power reduced, so sin square theta, and sin theta's differentiation is cos theta. Now I am writing dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, then it will be minus, I have written dy by d theta, in numerator it is 3a sin square theta cos theta, and in denominator I have written dx by d theta, it is 3a cos square theta sin theta. So we can cancel 3a, we can cancel 1 sin theta, and we can cancel 1 cos theta. So let us see the cancellation. Here 3a cancelled, 1 sin theta cancelled, 1 cos theta cancelled. Then our term becomes dy by dx equal to minus sin theta upon cos theta. Then dy by dx equal to minus tan theta. Now let us find out dy by dx at pi by 4. Then minus tan pi by 4, it is equal to minus 1. Here theta equal to pi by 4. So answer, slope of the normal to the curve is minus 1 upon dy by dx. Because dy by dx is a tangent slope, then normal slope will be minus 1 upon dy by dx, and it is equal to 1. Question 6. Find out slope of the normal to the curve x equal to 1 minus a sin theta, y equal to b cos square theta, and theta equal to pi by 2. Let us see the solution. X equal to 1 minus a sin theta, then dx by d theta is equal to minus a cos theta, y equal to b cos square theta. Then dy by d theta is become minus 2b cos theta sin theta. 2 is in power, so I have taken out, so it will be 2b cos theta, but cos theta's differentiation is minus sin theta, so here minus sin. Dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, it is equal to minus 2b cos theta sin theta upon minus a cos theta. So here also cancellation of minus sin and cos theta. So let us see the cancellation. So after cancellation, dy by dx equal to 2b upon a sin theta. Now instead of theta, if we keep pi by 2, then dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 2 will become 2b upon a sin pi by 2. So our answer is 2b upon a. Answer, slope of the normal to the curve is minus 1 upon dy by dx, and it will be minus a upon 2b. You can see over here. Our seventh problem, find the points at which the tangents to the curve y equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to the x-axis. Now here one thing you must have to recall, that what is the slope of x-axis? So slope of x-axis is always 0. So solution, slope of x-axis is 0. If the tangent is parallel to x-axis, then slope of the tangent is 0. Here y equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. Then dy by dx equal to 3x square minus 6x minus 9, and it is equal to 0. Therefore dy by dx equal to 3 into bracket x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore dy by dx equal to 3. Now I have done factorization, and it is x minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 1. Let us put x equal to 3 in y equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. Then y equal to 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 plus 7. Therefore y equal to 27 minus 27 minus 27 plus 7, then y equal to minus 20, because 27 minus 27 we can cancel it. Let us do the cancellation. So y equal to minus 20. So our point is 3 minus 20. Let us put x equal to minus 1 in y equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. Then y equal to minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 plus 7. Then y equal to minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 plus 7. Then y equal to 12. Then our point is minus 112. So let us write down answer. Tangents at point 3 minus 20 and minus 112 are parallel to the x-axis. Question 8. Find the point on the curve y equal to x minus 2 whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. Our solution. Slope of the line segment joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4 is 4 minus 0 upon 4 minus 2. It is equal to 4 upon 2 equal to 2. It is a slope of line segment joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. Here difference of y coordinate, it is 4 minus 0 upon difference of x coordinate, it is 4 minus 2. So it is 4 upon 2 equal to 2. Y equal to x minus 2 whole square. Slope of the tangent of the curve is, here y equal to x minus 2 whole square, it is equation of curve, and slope of the tangent to the curve will be dy by dx equal to 2 into x minus 2. But tangent is parallel to the line segment joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. Therefore, slope of the tangent to the curve is 2, because the line segment joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4, and slope of this is 4 upon 2 equal to 2. So slope of the tangent to the curve is also 2. 2 into x minus 2 equal to 2. X minus 2 equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 3. Let us put x equal to 3 in y equal to x minus 2 whole square. Then y equal to 3 minus 2 whole square, it is equal to 1. So answer 3, 1. So at 3, 1, slope of the tangent is equal to the line segment joining the points 2, 0, 4, 4 slope. That means tangent at 3, 1 is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0, 4, 4. Let us see question number 9. Find the point on the curve y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is y equal to x minus 11. Y equal to x minus 11, if you compare it with y equal to mx plus c, then m equal to 1. Therefore, slope of this line is 1. Y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5, slope of tangent of curve is dy by dx equal to 3x square minus 11, because differentiation of x cube minus 11x plus 5 is 3x square minus 11. But tangent is y equal to x minus 11. Therefore, dy by dx equal to 3x square minus 11 equal to 1. Because slope of this line y equal to x minus 11 is 1. So slope of tangent is also 1. Therefore, 3x square minus 11 equal to 1. Therefore, 3x square equal to 12. Therefore, x square equal to 4. So we can write x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 2. number 1, put x equal to 2 in y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. Therefore, y equal to 2 cube. Instead of x, let us keep 2. Then 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5. Therefore, y equal to 8 minus 22 plus 5. Therefore, y equal to minus 9. So, 2 minus 9 is first point. Put 2 minus 9 in y equal to x minus 11. So, let us see. It will be minus 9 instead of y keeping minus 9, and instead of x let us keep 2. Then minus 9 equal to 2 minus 11 equal to minus 9. Therefore, tangent at 2 minus 9 is y equal to x minus 11. Put x equal to minus 2 in y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. Then we can get y equal to minus 2 cube minus 11 into minus 2 plus 5. Then value of y will be minus 8 plus 22 plus 5. Therefore, y equal to 19. Minus 219 is second point. Let us put minus 219 in y equal to x minus 11. If it is satisfying, then we can write down, instead of y, let us keep 19, and instead of x, let us keep minus 2. Then 19 equal to minus 2 minus 11, it is minus 13, which is not true. Therefore, tangent at minus 219 is not y equal to x minus 11. So with this, we have completed